Hello, plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to our gardening glory. Today, we have an exciting topic that's sure to help you transform your indoor space into a lush and green haven. We're diving into the world of English ivy care, and I'm here to share some valuable tips to ensure your ivy thrives and flourishes. So, if you're ready to become an English ivy pro, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Before we jump into the care tips, let's get to know the plant. English ivy, scientifically known as Hedera helix, is a versatile and charming evergreen plant that has long captured the admiration of both indoor and outdoor garden enthusiasts. Native to Europe and Western Asia, this vigorous climber is renowned for its lush, glossy leaves and elegant trailing vines, which lend a touch of timeless beauty to any environment. With its ability to adapt to various light conditions and its penchant for creating lush, cascading displays, English ivy is a popular choice for adorning walls, trellises, and hanging baskets. Its distinctively shaped leaves range from deep green to variegated patterns, adding to its visual allure. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, English ivy also plays a vital role in aiding air purification, making it not just a captivating ornamental plant, but a valuable contributor to indoor and outdoor ecosystems alike. Here are some tips you can rely on to successfully grow this amazing plant in your house. Tip 1. Choosing the right location. Our first tip is all about location. English ivy loves bright, indirect light. It thrives near a north-facing window or a spot with filtered sunlight. Avoid placing it in direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. Plus, remember that ivy loves to trail, so consider giving it a bit of space to let those beautiful vines hang. Tip 2. Proper watering techniques. Now, let's talk watering. Keeping the soil consistently moist is key, but be cautious not to overwater. Allow the top inch of the soil to dry out before watering again. During the growing season, spring through summer, you might need to water a bit more frequently. In the colder months, reduce the watering frequency, but never let the soil completely dry out. Tip 3. Humidity and misty delights. English ivy thrives in humid environments. To mimic its natural habitat, consider misting the leaves with water regularly, especially during dry winters or if you're using indoor heating. You can also place a tray of water near the plant or use a humidifier to maintain the desired humidity levels. Tip 4. Fertilization for foliage. Giving your English ivy a boost of nutrients is important for lush growth. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer during the growing season. About once a month is usually sufficient. Remember, too much fertilizer can lead to excessive growth, so moderation is key. Tip 5. Pruning and training. To keep your English ivy looking its best, occasional pruning is necessary. Trim any yellowing or dead leaves to encourage new growth. And if your ivy is getting a bit unruly, don't hesitate to trim and shape the vines to maintain the desired size and appearance. Tip 6. Dealing with pests. Now, let's address a potential issue: pests. While English ivy is generally quite resilient, it can sometimes attract pests like spider mites or aphids. Regularly inspect the leaves for any signs of infestation. If you spot any, treat the plant with insecticidal soap or neem oil to keep those pesky critters at bay. Tip 7. Repotting and root health. As your English ivy grows, it might outgrow its current pot. Repot it every couple of years, preferably during the spring. Choose a slightly larger pot with good drainage and fresh, well-draining potting mix. Check the roots during repotting, and if they're circling the root ball, gently untangle them to encourage healthy growth. And there you have it, plant enthusiasts, your guide to mastering English ivy care. By following these tips, you'll have a thriving, beautiful indoor plant that adds a touch of elegance to your space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow plant lovers, and subscribe for more green inspiration. Happy gardening, and until next time.